In the second scenario, we will take a look at how Nexthink can give you visibility of all issues experienced by your end users, not just those reported into the service desk, and indeed how we can quickly and easily log incidents in ServiceNow directly from Nexthink. As we saw from the slides, industry analysts report that around 45% of end user issues are not reported into the service desk, and having full visibility is critical if you truly want to understand your end user experience and be able to improve it. We saw previously the Nexthink timeline for the slow-running PC. Nexthink captures close to 800 different metrics from a device, and the timeline helps to give you more detailed visibility of user experience, as well as the ability to correlate different alerts and issues that may have occurred at the same time. This full visibility of the end-user digital experience allows us to really start to become more proactive in improving that experience with IT. As an example, we saw previously from the level 1 checklist, the user's device had experienced issues with Outlook as well as the slow running PC. Here I can see confirmation of that with the user's device reporting Outlook issues. However, this has not yet been reported into the service desk and no incident has been raised. The user may be suffering in silence with this issue, their perception of IT impacted, but IT with no visibility. This is easily resolved. I can quickly select to log an incident in ServiceNow directly from within Nexthink, and thus ensure we can start to resolve all issues that affect productivity and efficiency, improving your end user experience and satisfaction.